Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, this one is an exciting one. This is an in-depth DIY of our movie room. When I tell you I am bringing you guys behind the scenes, you are gonna see everything. All the products we use, where we purchase them from. This was very cheap. Very cheap. This would not have been possible without my amazing husband.
And my man, thank you to my man. Drop the beat. And my man, thank you to my man.
I just want to say thank you so much, baby. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You did it. We completed this in like 2 days, y'all. 2 days. So thank you so much to my husband. You did it. I had the design ready and he was ready to execute it. So thank you so much, baby. Now listen, if y'all are new to the channel, you are gonna want to subscribe. You are gonna want to subscribe to this video. You're gonna want to like this video and you're gonna want to leave me a comment. This is a series, so you'll get multiple videos of us doing our movie room, what it takes to complete it, and then the end video I am gonna show you, give you guys a full tour. I'm gonna tag all my products, how much I paid for them, details. When I say details, I mean details. I am not leaving anything behind. Okay, I am not gatekeeping anything. Y'all are gonna know everything. So I hope you are in this for the long run. I hope you guys are ready. So get your boots, get your hammer, get your hats, because we are going on a journey. If you're new again, please consider subscribing. Please consider leaving me a comment, as I said, and catch up on old videos if you're kind of wondering, what's she up to. So this is gonna be a fun series. I am tired, as y'all can see, because we've been at it. But when I tell you our room is the bomb, listen, let's go. Let's go, because y'all are gonna have some fun. And y'all know I am the queen of affordability, so everything was very affordable. But when you walk in here, you're gonna feel like you are in a gallery. Like, I didn't want it to have that movie room thing where it's just, oh, a movie, you see some posters. No, the aesthetics has had to come correct, the colors had to come correct, and the style, if y'all know me. So I'm not saying anything else. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. All right, leave me a comment, y'all. Talk to me. Let me know. And of course, I'm always open to your constructive criticism. So let's go. All right, friends. So we took a trip to Home Depot. By this time, I already knew what we were gonna use. I went to Home Depot, found the items before my husband got home. So when he got home, it was just to go pick it up and come back home. But these are the Decor slat wall panels. This particular one is $49.98 plus tax. I want to say this was the most expensive one that's there, but these ones were the ones that I wanted to use. I love how modern it looks. And y'all know when these just came out, the acoustic wall panels, they were expensive. It was like 300 and something dollars for a piece. So I'm so happy that Home Depot decided to give us something very similar but more affordable. I am gonna put the sticker on the screen so you guys can get it if you decided to use this as well. Now, when you are in the store, please ensure that you are checking the product, because we had to go through about 10 of them to find the perfect tool. So ensure that you are checking the product, because the edges are easy to damage, and you want to make sure you're not buying something that's already damaged in store. So that's a pointer out there. This is a space that will be transforming from Loft to Luxe, or movie room, and I am so excited. So we got both wall panels. We got two wall panels at Home Depot, and we are gonna put them on either sides of this wall. Now, this room will be shared with our baby girl for her playroom, but we have a corner that we have all her stuff packed away neatly. And as I said in prior videos, we are working on, her cleanup process. So this room will be shared with her, but everything will tie in together. You're not even going to realize that a playroom is there as well. And this is a good way to show you guys how to maximize your space. It dip little bit. It dip little bit. Good job, Ten. We have plugs on either section of the wall. So before my husband put up the panel, he is gonna cut out the area that the plug is to make sure that this panel flushes seamlessly onto the wall. And I was a bit apprehensive here, not that I doubted him, but I am so finicky, I'm so picky when it comes on to measurements. So I was a bit nervous here because I wanted to ensure that this plug, the section for the plug, was cut out properly, and he nailed that to the T. Timmerman, thank you, Timmerman. Hey. So after lots of cutting, and by the way, I would say if you're gonna take on projects in your home, invest in a tool kit. I don't know what the correct name is, but my husband bought this entire kit in Home Depot, and it has all the tools that you can possibly think of. It was very affordable, and I mean, it's not the industrial tools, but they get the job done. As you can see, he has his saw, his drill. It's a whole big bag of tools, and you'll see us using it during the video. So if you're gonna want to take on DIYs, I would say invest in some tools. Now, we required all hands on deck to hold this wall panel up. It's not heavy, but because one, we don't want to mess the ceiling up. Two, we want to make sure it's perfect. It sits in the groove of the wall. All hands on deck.
Come up on the ladder, babe. Come up and put your foot over for me. Up.
Wallet. I get somebody else to do this. You gotta get somebody else to do this shit. Why is that? I'm scared to death. Scared to death.
I'm gonna have to get somebody else to do his roof. Scared to death. Hold that ladder.
Shit, that's all I really want to do. Shit.
Come.
You don't see man they come.
Scared to death.
Ready?
Make sure you're over here. Ready. Clap up. No, look up. Look down. No, look up. Did they go through?
Mm-hmm.
Hurry up, I'm scared to death. Oh, gunshot. Make sure. Slide for your wall over, Tish. I'm missing one little space. Push. Okay. Yes, I am scared of heights. I'm scared to go on the ladder. And I'm always on it for some reason, because I'm always switching something out or whatever. But my husband is going in now with the impact drill. He's just gonna secure it in the wall, and then you will see him going with nails. Yes, nails. No, I was kind of not happy with that, because in my head I'm gonna see the nails, but he did use black nails, and nails are screws, the big ones. And then he said he's gonna go in with the black paint to cover the heads, so you will not see it at all, and I was happy with that. If you decide to take on a project like this, I would say get some help because you're going to need all hands on deck. If you are picky or if your OCD is on a high like mine, you want to make sure the panel is up to the roof. There's no space. It is seamless. It must look like this is how the wall was painted. So you want a seamless look, and that's exactly what we strive to achieve here. So I love how it turned out, and we're gonna go back to Home Depot. So the movie theater is on its way. I know y'all are just seeing wall, but we did install the panelings. We are running back to Home Depot right now because of course, you know, we can't leave the little edging right here. Our ceilings are very high and these are 4x8, so we need one more panel, and we're gonna ask them to cut it for us. So this is 6.5 inches, and yeah, we're gonna ask them to cut it, and then we are gonna do something in the middle. I'll show you guys that. So yeah, we are running to Home Depot. Let's go.
23 gauge, and that's only one your will take because that's 23 gauge.
Right, right.
So it'll be a purple and a little purple. What's it? This is 18, 16s, and 15s.
Now, if for some reason you have to cut your panels, don't be afraid to ask the associates that work in Home Depot. Now, some of them are kind of don't want to do it, but you have some that will do it in a heartbeat. I must say this though, you have to do your part, and your part is to make sure that you get all your measurements correctly. So whatever you're doing at home, you measure it correctly. You take your measurements with you so that when they're ready to cut it, they can measure it, they can cut it. The cut will be precise. So if you mess up your measurements at home and you let them cut that thing and it's too short, or it's too short or too tall or too small, sorry, or too big, the onus is on you. I can't stress this enough. Ensure that your measurements are correct. Your measurements are correct. If you are not sure, measure it. Take a picture of your measuring tape to Home Depot, because you do not wanna cut your thing and then when you reach home it's incorrect. Now, if by some chance you cut it and it's a little bit still too big and you have a saw at home, you can go ahead and take some off, but if your measurements are correct, you shouldn't have that issue.
Manager escalation. Customer still waiting in D28 outdoor living and cleaning lockup.
Wow. Interesting. I'm a phone girl.
Give me a little. Do I start, nigga? Give me a little more tension, man.
Nah, get nothing more. This lock.
Okay.
Oh, you put at the back and not in the middle right here.
When we got home, we got a delivery. So my mom wanted a Chanel bag, and of course I got it for her. She is obsessed with neutrals, nude color. So she did go ahead and choose this color. I was trying to convince her to get another color, but this is her comfort zone and I'm okay with it. So this is her new girl, her new Chanel. I love this. It's somewhat like mine because it has the extra strap and it has the plate on top. So cute. Love it. But let's look inside. So she has a lot of space inside. Can hold her phone, her toiletries. She has space here at the back. She has a zipper here. And you know, her certificates are inside. We don't play. But love this Chanel bag. I am gonna link it for you in the description box, of course. But look at the deets. Look at the detail of that, y'all. Love it. So her plastic and everything is still on. I'm gonna leave that for her, but this is her new baby. Let me know what you guys think. We are at the end of episode 1 of our Loft to Luxe movie theater home theater series, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around for the next video. We are getting in details in the next video, and I don't know, I'm having fun with this series. Let me know what you guys think. We had so much fun too, and we learned a lot. Y'all know that's my biggest pet peeve, learning. I love to learn new things. We learned a lot, both my husband and I. So stick around for episode 2. You are gonna love that one, and leave me comments below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And we're getting there. You are gonna see the room pretty soon, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and be safe. Bye.